If you've encountered security checks on Cash App and need to restore full access, follow these steps to navigate the process effectively. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Ensure you are using the latest version of the app to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your security settings. Step 3. Complete security checks. Follow the prompts to complete any required security checks. This may include verifying your identity through email, phone number, or answering security questions. Step 4. Review account activity. Check your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Cash App support immediately. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If you are still unable to restore full access, reach out to Cash App support through the app or their website. Provide them with any necessary information to assist in resolving your issue. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your Cash App account. If problems persist, continue to seek assistance from Cash App support for further help.